What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go with our friend Matic. Not too much movement here. We're sitting at 53 cents, up 1.37 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.2 billion. 24-hour volume has come down to 565 million. So let's hop into the charts. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we broke out of this ascending triangle. We retested it. We came up and retested it once again. We're just consolidating. So we have a little bit of a smaller ascending triangle. I mean, right now we only have 2 touches. Usually we want 3. But if it does come up and test this level of resistance, and that will be your 3rd touch. So if it were to break out of this small pattern, that would be more confirmation that we'd be putting in that wave 3, in my opinion. Take a little measurement to get to your point of breakout, and that would basically take you up to 57 cents, which is the technical target of this larger ascending triangle. We are looking at this as a potential wave 2 pullback if we can come up and break this wave 1 high. If we fail to break that high and we roll over and we lose this low here of about 49 cents, we come down, we lose about 42 cents, then there's a higher likelihood, in my opinion, that we're coming all the way back down to 32 cents. And quite possibly still looking to put in a final wave 5 that could bring you down anywhere in between about 18 to 25 cents, more likely down about 18 to 20 cents. If BTC comes down to that, 10 to 13K price target, then Matic's easily going to come down to that range. But as of right now, we're just consolidating. So if you see us start to break out of this ascending triangle, you can see a nice push up to about 57 cents. We are still watching that cup and handle pattern on the daily. It is still valid here. If we can push up and come up and test about 60 cents, break that resistance, then you can see that major push up to about $1.17. I don't know if we'd push all the way up to $1.17, but it's possible if BTC were to see a rally up to about 26K. As of right now, we've seen a nice bounce off about 44 cents. So we'll see if this pattern plays out. Not too much to talk about in this video, in my opinion. We're just consolidating here, waiting to see if we're going to break out or break to the downside. But as of right now, we have put in a nice wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and potentially looking for that wave 3 to take you up to about 62 cents, which would be a wave 3 within. Let me actually do a measurement here. If we take a measurement from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, yeah, I think your wave 3 target is all the way up at 91 cents. So this might not even be a wave 1 because this is a bit too shallow of a wave 3. You can see this 5-wave structure wouldn't bring us anywhere close to the larger wave 3. So we may have to look at a larger wave count, where this is all an impulsive wave 1, looking for that corrective wave 2, because this wave count is simply too small to reach the technical target of this larger wave 3, which is all the way up here at about 96 cents. The market's looking a little bit weak unless some volume steps in. If we do roll over, especially if we lose this low, then I would expect Matic to come lower here and put in a new low, come down and break this low. But we'll see. Maybe some volume will step in. I think the market's in a bit of an uncertain place right now. So I'm just watching this cup and handle pattern as well as this small ascending triangle to see if we begin to break out. But your wave 3 target is all the way up at about 94 cents. There could be a small subwave within that larger wave 1 of the wave 3. That we're starting to count here. That's definitely a possibility because this is far too small to complete that wave 3 to take you all the way up to about 94 cents. That's basically it for Matic. Let's quickly look at our indicators here on the 1 hour. Yeah, creating slightly higher highs, about equal highs here on the RSI. So just keep an eye on that as well. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Do we have any divergence? Yeah, we're basically, see, we're just consolidating, right? Creating that ascending triangle. So we're basically creating equal highs here with a little bit of a lower high in the RSI. The money flow has come back up to the top section, so that is something to keep an eye on as well. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The $10 membership, my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. And if you want to trade with me, $4,500 in bonuses over on Bybit. That's my favorite exchange for trading. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.